Welcome to this wonderful edition of tutorial. We are going to learn how to transfer files, documents, any other thing from your phone to your laptop without any USB connection or with no cord. So let's start. You go to Google, you download an application called Xender, then you install it. Now on the Xender, you could see this plus sign at the right corner top of your Xender. You click on it, then you select the first one, which is connect PC. You select that connect PC. We move to this place, you move on to hotspot, then you go down to create hotspot. You wait to move to the PC. So coming back to your PC, just go to your internet connectivity. Then you find out the Xender AP that you see on your phone, on your Xender screen. You connect it automatically, then you are done with the connection with your phone to your PC. Alright, so let's come to the next. We open the web browser on your laptop, either Chrome, Opera Mini or Firefox. Any of them can do this operation. So on my own, I have Opera Mini, so I will use Opera Mini to do that. Now on the dialog box that will allow you to search any web address, you type in the IP address that has been provided on your Xender screen. You type in as exact as it is, then you press enter. By pressing enter, you see this screen. You accept on your phone, so you accept it. Now you get to the main interface of the transfer. Here is the home key, so you click on the home, then you come to the file. Here you could see your SD card and your phone memory. On my phone, I don't have any SD card, so I have phone storage. This is my phone storage. Anything that I want to transfer from my phone to the laptop, now I've selected this data KD, then I move up to select download. My laptop will allow me to download this data KD to my laptop from the phone, so as it is downloading. Now you can do these operations as many as you can. You can transfer anything from your phone. Now all that I have for my phone is on the laptop now, so I am now transferring them. So coming to my camera, I just select it, I go to the top, I download it, then all will come on my laptop. The same procedure. So it is simple as that. Now let's go back. After we've downloaded everything that we want to download or we want to put on our phone, on our laptop, now we go to this PC. You check for downloads on this PC. Now since I downloaded it with Internet Download Manager, it will come as compressed. So all that I copied from my phone to the laptop, it is here, the camera and another KD. Both of them are here. So here basically all things that needed to copy from my laptop, from my phone to my laptop, I've done it here, and I'm okay with that.